So in this session, we're going to create a global class. We're going to create a global class in the Eclipse, and then we'll make use of that in the global class we are going to make use of in a program. So let me open the Eclipse here. So in the ABAP, we are working on ABAP on Eclipse, and here we will be going ahead and if the ABAP perspective is not open like this, you can go to Windows, Perspective, Open Perspective, Others, and you can select ABAP here. So the ABAP perspective will open, and here just if you already have created a pack project, you don't have to create it again. But if you click on the create an ABAP project, you can have this, and in this you can go ahead with the server details. Just let me. So in this, we'll click on create project. By default, it should come. Let me close it and open again. Because once we run that, automatically that server should be visible there. So for creating a global class, we need to right click on the package and new class, ABAP class. So in this, I'm creating the class name as ZVA_C1. This is a global class. Global class 1. Click on next. And this is new request from new request for Vikramaditya is what we have. It's already there. The request number is already created. So what I'll do is I'll create this global class under that particular request. Now the moment we create a class, automatically all these options will come there. I mean like the public, final create public section, protect section, and private section. So now public, final create public. Just let's not consider this one. Let's go ahead with the public section. So in the public section, we are going to go ahead and write something like, say something like data A of 10. A of 10. You can have a value for that, but methods M1. Method M1 and method. And this will go for write M1 method in C1, something like that. And here we'll also write something like A is equals to something like 10. The value of A is 10. These all things we are doing at the class level, global class level. So whatever we want to declare, we can declare it here. We'll do the syntax check. So it contains no errors. Activate. Now we created a very simple class and we are going to make use of this class in our program. So for that, we'll go for right click on the program, new program, ZBA underscore 001. Oops. Program 1, say OK. And then here we have data obj type ref2 obj type ref2 ZBA underscore C1. Data object. Then we have startup selection. Startup selection. Inside the startup selection, create object obj, then call method obj m1. Write obj a. And this is what we have. So we are making use of ZBA underscore C1, which we had just now created as a global class. Since it's a global class, you can use it in n number of programs in n number of scenarios. So we'll go ahead and say syntax check, activate, then we'll go for this run as our application. So we'll get this m1 method in C1. 10 is what we have as a value there. Fine. So what you are supposed to do is you are supposed to create a global class now and then make use of that global class in a local program. So global class, creation of global class when compared to the old way of doing it, this is pretty easy. You are doing it just like you are writing a program and then activating it, and everything else will be followed there. This is what we have. So I'll be sharing the code in the blog. In the blog www.abapeducation.blogspot.com. So I'll be sharing the code in this blog.